Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another lesson from Musical U. My name's Dylan Welsh. I'm your resident guitar pro. And this month, we're going to try and take your improvisation up a notch. Part of the work that comes with being a good improviser is that you have to spend a lot of time learning the solos and improvisations of the people that you like and of your heroes. One thing you may have noticed, though, is that even if you get all the notes right, and even if all the notes are exactly the same, it's still you playing their solo still does not sound as good as they do it. That's fine and totally normal and totally to be expected, because ultimately there's a lot more that goes into the way somebody sounds, especially when they're improvising, than just their choice of notes. There's a lot of nuance that can really take a very long time. We're talking years and years and years to develop, but it can be worked on and workshopped in a way that will help expedite that process and help you get to a place where you like the way you sound as an improviser and get you to a place where you're sounding a lot more like the people that you respect. They're talking about rhythm or we're practicing rhythm. I want you guys to try really hard to keep the dynamics and the articulation and the timbre the same. Try and keep that consistent and just work on rhythm. You only get to use rhythm as a tool to improvise an interesting melody. This is going to force you to really think about some interesting rhythm stuff because you're not going to have a choice. I'll give you an example. So that's an example of only changing up the rhythm. I'm only, messing with the rhythm. I'm not messing with any other aspect of my playing.